I love Aruba. We are here.
So sweet to change yourself a stone for me until I saw what's happening inside. Others may question me, but they don't know what's best for me. I'm on my way to be happy. You won't be the last. You won't be the last. You won't be the last.
Look where we're sailing into today. I can't wait to show you this video. We have arrived in Aruba. Look at this beautiful port. Where are we at?
We're in Aruba.
Where at?
I don't know.
Oranjestad.
Yeah.
If I'm saying that wrong, forgive me, but you can see it behind here. We're going to do a complete port tour and downtown tour of this island. I can't wait to show you because it's going to be fantastic. And then we got a secret spot we're going to go at the end. It's for the sunset, but for
Yes.
now, let's just get into this tour. All right, we're in Aruba here. This is where you come out and you go out to the shops and now you get out to town. There's all kinds of things along here. We'll explore some of this when we get back. All right, we're in Aruba. These guys are welcome them in here. But when you turn around and you get off here, this is where all your excursions are and your buses. But we're going downtown today. Let's keep moving. That's what it looks like when you're looking back towards the ship. We're on the horizon. This is one of the excursions here. You get to ride on one of these fancy buses. And there's the banana bus. Check these out. Cuckoo Canuku. Get on one of these in Aruba. It's always happy hour on this bus, apparently. And this is what this place is known as, One Happy Island. All right, this is how you exit the port, and you just keep following. They got a nice path here to go along that take you downtown, Oranjestad. But first, my wife has got to get a cup of coffee. I guess it's called Bon Coffee.
Oh my God, so good.
And immediately when you get off, you can see they got some straw market stuff here. Oh, you might want to stop here once you get back. This is called, I'm guessing it's right, douchey fruit. There's where you get off the ship. But this is one of the quick malls or straw markets right through to downtown Aruba. And right across the road is this more shops here. Fresh roasted coffee, sandwich, ice cream, mini pancakes. So you can see right there's the cruise ship, how close you are to downtown Oranjestad. We're just gonna walk down these streets and show you what it's all about. There's the I Love Aruba sign right by the ships. And if you don't wanna walk, they got bike rentals right here, downtown Aruba. And there's an I Love Aruba sign. But I tell you one thing, if you like shopping, there is no shortage of shopping in Aruba. I'm sure my wife will be getting something in here, but and one thing that's nice about downtown, all these places got AC. On a hot day, this is gonna feel incredible. If you forgot your luggage in Aruba, you can get it here. My wife looks like she came to shop.
You like those?
Goes the king banana. Look at the palm trees. And make sure you're finding the blue donkey. They mean something here in Aruba. I'm gonna have to figure out what it is. And make sure you're looking it up in Aruba because the architecture is fantastic. Look at this building. Shaky Q's best view in Aruba. I don't know about that, but there is some boats here. And this is a little beach. I guess you could probably swim out here if you want. And you can see this harbor from another angle here and how close you are to the cruise ship. And those are all shops in those buildings right over there as well. That's cool. A little side shop here with drinks and iced coffee, I guess. All right, when you get off the ship, if you turn right, there's all kinds of straw markets up this way as well. They just go on and on. All right, you definitely got to find the Royal Plaza because of the architecture and all the shops they got in these places. This is the little fish ice cream shop. I'll be getting one of these on the way. This is the Paddock. Do you see the view from straight through here? That's incredible, right? And that is the view you'll want to see. Right there. All right, and this is the place that is highly rated. It's called the Paddock. And the reason it's so nice is because it's got a breezeway. You can feel that ocean breeze right through this place. This place will be busy later with last time cruises. You can see that cruise ship's right behind it. You can run that in 5 minutes. Your typical Caribbean bar with dollar bills and Aruba money just all over the ceilings. This is another bar right up from the Paddock. It's called Lucy's. That's right on the water as well. You could finish your day here too. All right, if you want jewelry, Aruba might be the new capital of jewelry because there are so many jeweler stores. I don't see how they all stay in business. This is Iguana Joe's. It's right across from the cruise ship. It looks like it's a restaurant bar. I want to at least walk up here and check the view out. Oh yeah, I could see myself here all day. You can see some of the damage to this dome here. It looks like they're fixing it up. So one of the questions I had is why did nobody ever show videos of this place inside? And now I kind of know why. But if you're a photographer, there is some great architectural pictures here. All right, you can see where your cruise port parks. Right there is the I Love Aruba sign over there. But if you swing around, this is nothing but markets in here. We're just gonna take a stroll through here. This is sincerely a straw market. You can tell by the roofs and so forth. Let's look in here. Oh my God, there's so much stuff in here. Crazy. Just see how this market just keeps going down in here. Jesus, it just goes way back in. Look at this little bar right across from the cruise ship. Day drinks, local beers. You can see how close this place is. Right across the street. Get off the ship and just come over here for a drink. The bar is called Aruba Made. All right, one of the secrets I got here is when you get off that cruise ship, find these railroad tracks and follow them because apparently it takes you some great views. And there is a train that comes through here too, so be careful. So just keep following the tracks and you'll see down here, it's going into a different part of Oranjestad. All right, this is funny. What's this mean in Aruba? A big circle with a red around it. You can see what this Royal Plaza looks like from behind. They're fixing this up. It's going to be shops someday. All right, this is Backer Street. You can see there's many more shops up and down here. So we're going to show you. We're heading to, what was it, the Renaissance Hotel. You literally can't shop till you drop in Aruba. My wife just went in here in search of something. Thank you for letting us come to Aruba.
Aruba is very beautiful. It's a beautiful island, and then you can enjoy yourself.
Thank you. All right, and this is the back entrance, I think, to the Renaissance Mall. We're going to just take a stroll through here. Apparently there's a lot of shops back in here, but there's something special I'm hoping to show you. All right, this is a really cool looking mall inside if you want to do shopping. But one thing it's going to be different is the stores have their own entranceways. For walking through the mall, it's pretty hot in here. Well, I guess we're in the center portion here, but there's a casino. And here's one of the entrances again to the mall. But you can see the shops go on and on. I think that's the secret spot. So at the one end of the mall is this right here. I just think this is unique. Understand this is not only a mall, but it's a hotel. But do you see the water in here? They actually drive boats from out there in the ocean into this place. Here comes the boat right in to the mall. That is crazy. I don't know how he's turning that thing around in here, but he knows what he's doing. He is a professional. All right, you can see the hotel. This is the hotel from inside where the boat just pulled in. I want to see him swing this thing around. Beautiful hotel inside. And one thing that they got, even if you're not staying here, they got a Starbucks here. Everybody always asks me where the coffee is. There's one in here. I think it might take them to the beach area. It looks like that's a different driver, so they must have different ones coming. We got a traffic jam now. There's 2 boats in here. Traffic jam of boats inside the hotel and mall area. That is some serious boat maneuvering. There's so many stores in here. My wife's in here. The aloe vera store. Any fragrance or cure you could want. Oh, gee, I think I'm falling in love with this restaurant. Right there's the bar, but look what's over here that's towards the ocean. This is the pool area. All right, and if you're coming in on a cruise ship, or even if you're not, this Renaissance hotel, you can see how close it is to the cruise port right here. What an overlook of this. It's beautiful here in Aruba, especially this hotel. Should have got a day pass. Wonder if they have one. Anybody want a drink? Who can drink one of these things? All right, this is really cool. Look at this beautiful church. If you're coming in on a cruise, you can see this steeple. Make sure you're looking up here. Look at some of this architecture in Aruba. Look at that beautiful building. That is the courthouse of Aruba. And make sure you're finding the Holland Aruba Mall because it's very picturesque, as you're gonna see. All right, this is back a couple blocks, but look at the beauty in these buildings. This is the beauty of Aruba right here, these buildings. And they got shops up here. Along there, there's Bath and Body Works, but I just love the colors in Aruba. This is incredible. I see where my wife is going. She's going into VIP gift and souvenirs. All right, if you find this store and you're looking for souvenirs, I don't know if I've ever seen a souvenir shop this big. This place is massive. Is this place huge or what? It just goes on and on. Don't miss this place. All right, I had to wrap this video up at the Paddock. There's the cruise ship that hopefully we can make it back. And they got 5 beers for 20 bucks. And I got a variety. There's the chill. What's this one? Oh, I'm gonna spill them. And they got a mango. Oh, that's the Balashi. That's a local one. Mango. More chill. That's a deal. When you're in Aruba, get this pack at the Paddock with this view. And this Balashi and chill. These are local beers made in Aruba. So we're at the Paddock. Like I told you, we were gonna finish our day up here. We just got food. We got the local beer, the Balashi, and that's the chill made right here in Aruba. But let me tell you, look at this view we got right here. There's a plane coming in. All right, look at this food at the Paddock. That's a fish sandwich. And what you get, hon?
Cheese and pesto sandwich.
That looks incredible. And what did she say that macaroni was?
Curry pasta.
That looks amazing. Thank you, Paddock. This is how you finish the day. Thank you, Aruba, for your hospitality. All right, I will tell you, this Paddock is a special place in my heart now because the food was incredible. And I just can't say enough about the atmosphere. It's beautiful in this place.
On my way